Grote G5053 Marker Lamp. The Grote G5053 Marker Lamp is a high-quality product that combines durability, functionality, and style. As an expert product marketing professional with years of experience, I can confidently say that this marker lamp from Grote is a reliable choice for everyone. When it comes to brand reputation, Grote has established itself as a trusted name in the industry. With their commitment to producing top-notch automotive lighting solutions, Grote ensures that their products meet the highest standards of quality and performance. The Grote G5053 marker lamp is no exception. With a single item package quantity, this marker lamp is designed to fulfill your needs without any additional accessories. It comes in a vibrant yellow color, making it easily visible and enhancing the aesthetics of any vehicle. The yellow color is particularly beneficial during low light conditions or when visibility is crucial. One of the key features of the Grote G5053 marker lamp